The morning star and evening star indicator, which is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on your chart. Additionally, traders can read this page to learn about how the indicator works and its functionality. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and run the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Once the indicator is placed on the chart, it begins to identify the morning star candlestick pattern and the evening star candlestick pattern on the price chart. Traders who are looking to identify this reversal pattern on the chart can use the morning star and evening star indicator to detect these two reversal patterns, and after these patterns form, they can enter a buy or sell trade in the market. In the settings section, under the input tab, there are options available for us, and in the first part, we can set the period for the fast-moving average. In the next section, we can set the period for the slow-moving average. In the following section, we can adjust the ATR multiplier factor, which relates to the first and third candles. In the next section, we can set the ATR multiplier for the second candle, and finally, we can change the color of the morning star candlestick pattern and the color of the evening star candlestick pattern to any color we like in this section. To better understand how the indicator works, I will add two moving averages to the chart, with the two default periods inside the indicator. The first one is in red, which is our fast-moving average period, and a moving average with a period of 20 in blue. This is where our slow-moving average period is set. The way the indicator works is based on these four factors. When the price and our fast-moving average are both positioned below our slow-moving average and a morning star candlestick pattern forms on the chart, the indicator is able to detect and highlight this specific pattern. This helps traders identify potential bullish reversal signals in the market more effectively. However, if our fast-moving average is above our slow-moving average and the pattern forms above these two moving averages, the indicator does not recognize this pattern. The two factors considered for forming the candlestick pattern are based on the ATR, and here a coefficient of 0.75 ATR has been used. Our first candlestick must be a bearish candle and larger than 0.75 ATR. The color of our second candlestick doesn't matter, whether it's bullish or bearish, and our third candlestick must be a bullish candle and its size should be greater than 0.75 ATR. In the next part, for our second candlestick, it must be less than 0.25 ATR for the morning star pattern to be identified. For the evening star candlestick pattern, the process is exactly the same as before, but in reverse, meaning that in this case, our fast-moving average should actually be positioned above our slow-moving average, and the candlestick pattern itself should form for us just as we expect. After that step is completed, the indicator will automatically display the pattern for us on the chart, making it easy to identify. If the evening star pattern forms below the two moving averages, the indicator will not recognize or display this pattern for us. Our first candlestick must be a bullish candle and larger than 0.75 ATR. The second candle, it doesn't matter whether it's bullish or bearish, but it must be smaller than 0.25 ATR. The third candle must be a bearish candle and larger than 0.75 ATR for the indicator to recognize and display this pattern. Well friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be truly happy and grateful if you could kindly take a moment to share your valuable comments and thoughtful suggestions with us in the comments section below. Your feedback is always appreciated.